Dell recently revamped its entire line of laptops and desktops from Dell Inspiron, XPS, Latitude, Precision to Dell Pro and Dell Pro Max. And within these three categories, you're gonna see laptops as well as desktops. When we talk about Dell subcategory, their subcategory is further divided into base, plus, and premium. And same goes to all three Dell, Dell Pro, and Dell Pro Max. And similarly, they also have kept nomenclature for their desktop lineup. So it is interesting to see how many of these categories are actually being launched. So I am from India, and when I go to India specific website, here you can see I don't see it yet. And even if I go to laptop, view all laptop, you won't see any sign of any of those models. But let's try to explore the US website, which is ENUS. And here again, let's go back here to laptop. Here probably you may see not only we can see these new product line is available, but we can also see the previous generation or previous models like Inspiron, Latitude, and so on. Now it is so confusing, like which one is equivalent to what. Is Dell Pro equivalent to XPS or a Latitude? So let's have a quick look here. Or should we focus again back to the presentation by Dell? So if we talk about this Dell presentation, they clearly define these lines by the nature of work. So for example, if somebody want a basic laptop designed for play, school and work, then they will be choosing Dell. And I would say this might be equivalent to Dell Inspiron line. Then comes to Dell Pro, and I'm pretty sure that it is more aligned to Dell Latitude series as well as Vostro. Then comes Dell Pro Max. This one is probably for max performance, and it definitely would be replacing Dell Inspiron series, which is a workstation series of Dell. But how about XPS? Where can it fit? Well, I would say it is still slightly confusing. It should be part of Dell Pro Max because in past we have seen the resemblance in design of Dell XPS series with Dell Precision. At least from outside, the internal parts, especially CPU and GPU, definitely are different as they are meant or built to serve different category of customer. But for sure the premium category, that's why there is a Dell Pro Max. Now let's again go back here to this Dell website, and here we definitely can see the laptop of these new lineup are available. Let's actually check the spec of this Dell Pro 14 Premium, which is powered by Lunar Lake here. And let's actually have a look if they are also offering AMD variants, and not particularly in this one. Let me also open and see other model, and seems like they have not launched with AMD yet. And if we see here in Dell Pro subcategory, we can see a subcategory as Premium and Premium Plus. Let me also compare these and have a look what they has to offer. And let's click here on compare. And here we can see the Premium and Plus variant. So the Plus variant is the middle one, I would say, in this business category, and then Premium is the top tier. Both are powered by Copilot Plus PC. And then here on the left side with Premium category, we can see they specifically have mentioned the amount of battery life. Then in case of Plus, definitely here also you will see a very good battery because the processors here which is powering these laptops are same. Then if we talk about graphics, again, since the processors are same, for sure the graphics also will be same. Now in terms of RAM, we are now seeing DDR5 RAM are being installed in these machines, which I would say is really nice to see. But for sure here we can see the kind of material is being used. In case of this premium one, the more premium material is being used, which is magnesium. And then in case of Plus variant, the aluminum material in case of chassis is being used. And another thing that we can see in case of Dell Pro 14 Plus laptop is that it is also being offered in 2-in-1 form factor. In terms of port, I again think that it won't be too much of difference. Then And same we can also see in case of audio and speaker. However, in case of camera, for sure we can see in case of Dell 14 Premium, they are using much better camera than compared to Dell Pro Plus. In case of connectivity, again, the things are almost similar. If we talk about battery, here we can see in case of Dell Pro 14 Premium, 40 watt hour and 60 watt hour battery is being used. However, in case of Plus model, 45 and 55 watt hour of battery is being used. So it seems like in case of Dell Pro 14 Premium, if you are going with certain base variant, then the battery capacity is less even compared to Dell Pro 15 Plus. So overall, I would say we are seeing difference in terms of build, battery capacity and camera. However, if we talk about the core performance, for example, CPU, GPU or even wireless connectivity, both going to remain same. And one thing for sure, these new generation laptop will perform better is support for generative AI. As these new Intel processors comes with 40 PTOPs and at max we can see here 48 PTOPs. And this P is really confusing, I would say, or it could be mistake made by Dell. Let's actually have a look at Intel website. And there we go. So here we can see it is tops. So what they did is they actually added it with P, which means that petatops. And one can get confused it with petatop because P may stands for peta and T is actually tera, so tera operations per second. So one can definitely get confused. So this P is nothing but peak tops, which I would say is much higher than previous generation of Intel CPU, which means that the AI apps will perform even better with these new laptops. As nowadays, many apps have started using generative AI. So for sure, these laptops will run smoother with these upcoming new apps. So what do you think about these Dell new lineup, which is Dell Pro, Dell Pro Max, and then there are subcategory which is base, plus, premium, and then similar we're gonna have desktop. Please do let us know in comment down below. And if you have got any kind of questions or doubt in your mind, please feel free to ask us in comment down below. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.